Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Arias from 8A, and today I'm going to talk about genetics. Okay, cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. They provide a structure for the body, taking nutrients from the food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Chromosomes. Chromosomes are the basic building block of life, where the entire genome of an organism is essentially organized and stored in the form of DNA. Chromatids are two identical parts joined by a centromere forming a chromosome that contains the most of the DNA of a living organism. Karyotype. A karyotype is a picture of all of the chromosomes present in a single one of your cells. A karyotype is a test used to check for chromosomal abnormalities. Also, in the karyotype test, doctors can know your gender. The DNA structure. DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. Double helix is the description of the structure of a DNA molecule. A DNA molecule consists of two strands that wind around each other like a twisted ladder. Each strand has a backbone made of altering groups of sugar. Gene. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Genes, which made up of DNA, act as instructions to make molecules called proteins. Heterologous and homologous. Heterologous express a gene in either a different species or cell type than it originates. Homologous overexpression of a gene in a system from where it originates. Trait. A trait may be any single feature or quantifiable measurement of an organism. Allele is an alternative form of a gene that is located at a specific position on a specific chromosome. Genotype and phenotype. Genotype. Internally code. Inheritable information carried by all living organisms. And phenotype. Outward physical manifestation of the organism. Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel, born on July the 22nd of 1822. His full name is Gregor Johann Mendel. He studied at University of Vienna and University of Olmütz. His occupation was a botanist and scientist. He born on Heisendorf, on Austria, and he died on January the 6th of 1884 on Brno, Austria. In this example, we can distinguish that is one trait. White fur, that is the dominant trait, and black fur, that is the recessive trait. In the genotype, the dominant homozygous, recessive homozygous, and heterozygous. 25% of dominant homozygous, 25% of recessive homozygous, and 50% of heterozygous. In decimals, 0.25 of dominant homozygous, 0.25 of recessive homozygous, and 0.50 of heterozygous. In fractions, 1/4 in dominant homozygous, 1/4 in recessive homozygous, and 2/4 in heterozygous. On the phenotype, the white fur and black fur. The white fur has 75%, the black fur has 25%. In decimals, the white fur 0.75 and black fur 0.25. In fractions, 3/4 white fur and 1/4 black fur. Okay, in this example we have two traits. The white fur, there is a dominant trait, the black fur, there is a recessive trait, brown eyes that are dominant trait, and blue eyes that are recessive trait. In the genotype, we have dominant homozygous, recessive homozygous, and heterozygous. For dominant homozygous, we have 6.25%, that is this square. For recessive homozygous, we have 6.25%, that is this square. And for heterozygous, we have 87 0.50%, that is all of these squares. On the decimals, in dominant homozygous we have 0.0625, in recessive homozygous we have 0.0625, and in heterozygous we have 0.875. In fractions, we have in dominant homozygous 1/16, in recessive homozygous we have 1/16, and in heterozygous we have 14/16. On the phenotype, we have white fur with brown eyes, white fur with blue eyes, black fur with brown eyes, and black fur with blue eyes. For white fur and brown eyes, in the percentage we have 56.25%, that are all the orange squares. For the white fur with blue eyes, we have 18.75%, that is all the green squares. For black fur with brown eyes, we have 18.75%, that are the blue squares. And for black fur with blue eyes, we have 6.25%, that is the red square. In decimals, for white fur with brown eyes, we have 0.5625. In white fur with blue eyes, we have 0.1875. In the black fur with brown eyes, we have 0.1875. And in black fur with blue eyes, we have 0.0625. In fractions, for white fur and brown eyes, we have 9/16. In white fur with blue eyes, we have 3/16. In black fur with brown eyes, we have 3/16. And in black fur with blue eyes, we have 1/16. Okay, I hope you liked the video. This was my project for biology on the third term, and thanks for watching.